Hello, hello.
Ay, bakit ka nakabihis? Mr.
Di ba,
B.
di ba nga may show ako?
Meron ba? Ngayon?
Oo. Oo.
Ay, nasa Bataan ka ba ngayon?
Bukas pa yun.
Ano ngayon?
Bingo Plus.
Okay. Saan
VIP,
yan?
Jupiter, VIP party.
Sa Makati?
Makati.
Kasama mo din si Lil Eddie.
Yeah.
What's
Si Papi.
Sky.
Ha?
What's up daw, Eddie Sky?
She said, what? Tell him I said the sky. He said, what's up?
Sky. Sky.
What's that being said?
Mama daw. Single si brother. Hi, Lil Eddie. Si brother Eddie talaga.
Kasi, say hello, Eric.
Hi, Eddie. God, you're so cute. How you doing?
Lil Eddie, you're so cute.
You're so cute. You're chubby baby boy.
Oh,
$15.
agad ka din. Ganun ka din.
This is it. I finally found someone. Eddie, bakit gusto mong gawin kong bigyan?
Mama, nahihitigan ka niya.
Hola.
Ang hina naman ang boses mo, man, hindi ka na
That's your
narinig.
makeup artist.
Who's that?
That's your makeup artist.
Oh, really?
Hi. Thank you po.
How is your taping? Maraming kang sequence?
Nasa nakukunan
Dito na ako nakukuna.
Ang dami, namamayang one.
Hanggang 1 o'clock
Hanggang 1 a.m. ka dyan?
I eat when everyone
Oh.
there.
yesterday.
Saan ba yan? Sa GMA?
Oo. Yes.
Pag natapos ako maaga, dalawang kita?
Bahala ka.
Sige. Si Maruti and Wella, they're inviting for dinner dito lang malapit sa Makati. Yung gagawa ng Katie Jewels.
Okay.
Did you see the magic that I did for you?
Bulaklak? Bakit wala,
May
Chris?
isang tungkol dapat yun kasi hindi ka sa Ilongga.
Na-miss ko na si Katie. 2 days ko na siya hindi nakita.
Wait lang, I'll try.
Nasa bahay.
It's okay ka.
They went to mine. It's like they were sharing cookies.
I haven't seen you guys
Ano
for
oras
3 days.
alis niyo bukas?
Try. Check.
My sound check is at 3, so we have to leave at 1 p.m.
2 hours lang ba yung Bataan?
Saan ba?
Dapat.
See? Did you
2
check?
hours or 3 hours ba?
Baka 4.
Yeah, depende.
Maybe 12.
Parang
Maybe
3
12:30.
hours.
At 12:30.
There?
Hello.
Hi.
Mama Dong.
Hi na.
Mama, nang sayaw mo nung Sayaw mo siya.
IG, right?
You see it on the page? Let me see.
Mo yung ba yung paring Dong?
Ano na?
Ano yung sakit?
And then
Ang hirap
put
naman
the
sa
12 Instagram.
Ano yun natin? People talking to me.
Ang ginaw. Hi, Gian.
Miss
Ay, may
me.
nag-hi sa'yo dito. Chris.
Like that.
Yo, what's up? What's up? It's SOP Party Pilipinas. What up,
Here's
G?
PJ7.
Hey. What up, G?
Ew.
How's it going, bro?
Sorry, kakakain ko lang.
Okay na lang.
How are you? How are you? How are you, man? Where are you? Are
Miss
you
you,
here?
bro.
Miss you, man. Are you in the Philippines?
No, I'm in.
Yeah.
Oo.
No, I'm in Jupiter.
Jupiter Street? Jupiter
Yes.
Street. See you, brother. See you. Nice to see you.
Hey,
man.
bro. Good
Nice
to
to
see
see
you.
you.
Nice to see you.
Miss B, they want to say hi. They said they're big fans now. Si Tita Sylvia.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
Number one
Hi
fan mo.
Thank you.
Tapos ito,
Joy.
Miss Joy nag-book sa
Hi,
akin.
Miss Joy.
Asawa ko si Tito Ni.
Hello po.
From Vista
Hello.
From Vista Malls.
From
Kay,
Vista Malls.
kay ano po, kay Senator Villar.
Oh, okay. Hello po.
This is Chris also, Chris Marcos.
Hi.
Hi.
Ay, sino yung taga-Villar? I'm from Las Piñas. I'm Villar.
Anong kailangan mo? Let me know. Hi. Oh, so
Ano ako, Villar ako.
pag may kailangan ka, alam mo yan. di ba?
Just tell
Ah,
I support Villar. Because
Alright. Message me
Dapat.
kung may kailangan ka.
Yeah.
Hi, thank you.
Bye po.
Bye.
Ingat kayo. Yan, kailangan ko ng Kashmir. Kailangan.